The earth is full of wonder, mountains, oceans, and creatures that take our breath away. But among all these, plants remain some of the most mysterious and magical forms of life. Some bloom only once in a decade. Some can live for 1,000 years, and others can even eat insects. Today, let's explore 10 of the most unique plants in the world. 1. Deep in the tropical forest hides the world's largest flower, Rafflesia arnoldi. It can reach 1 meter wide and weigh up to 10 kilograms. But its beauty comes with a twist. It smells like rotting meat, earning it the nickname, corpse flower. This odor attracts flies that help it reproduce. It has no leaves or roots, it grows directly from another plant's stem. A strange, rare beauty that reminds us, even what seems unpleasant can have a purpose in nature. 2. Welwitschia mirabilis, the ancient survivor. In one of the driest places on Earth, Namib Desert, Namibia and Angola, this strange plant has survived for more than 1,000 years. Welwitschia mirabilis has only 2 leaves, which grow continuously throughout its life. It gathers water from the desert fog and withstands scorching heat. Some people call it the living fossil because its ancestors date back to the age of dinosaurs. It is the only surviving species in its family, Welwitchiaceae. Its strange, twisted appearance and adaptations to one of the world's harshest desert environments have made it a marvel for botanists. It survives over 1,000 years with just 2 leaves that never stop growing. Only 2 leaves for a lifetime, it's one of the oldest living plants on Earth. The plant is featured on the coat of arms of Namibia, highlighting its cultural importance in the region. It's a symbol of endurance, life finding a way, even in the harshest desert. 3. Baobab tree, the tree of life in Africa, Madagascar, Australia. With its thick trunk and roots reaching for the sky, the baobab looks like it's planted upside down. It stores thousands of liters of water inside its trunk, a lifeline for people and animals during drought. Its fruit is rich in vitamin C, its bark used for rope and medicine. For many African communities, it's a sacred tree, a symbol of strength, generosity, and life itself. The baobab teaches us that giving sustains all living things. 4. Amorphophallus titanum, the titan arum, corpse flower, location, Sumatra, Indonesia. Another, corpse flower, but even larger and taller, sometimes over 3 meters high. It blooms rarely, once every 7 to 10 years, for just a few days. Its enormous petal opens to release a foul smell, attracting pollinators like flies and beetles. People travel from around the world just to witness its short-lived bloom, a reminder that beauty can be both strange and fleeting. 5. Venus flytrap, the insect eater. Meet the plant that doesn't just grow, it hunts. It is a carnivorous plant native to the temperate and subtropical wetlands of North Carolina and South Carolina, on the east coast of the United States. Although various modern hybrids have been created in cultivation, D. mashipula is the only species of the monotypic genus Dionea. The Venus flytrap has tiny hairs on its leaves. All Venus flytraps belong to the single species Dionea mashipula, but hybridizers have developed numerous cultivars with unique appearances. The key to a healthy Venus flytrap is strong light, pure water and plenty of food. This plant does not need to enter dormancy when grown indoors. When an insect touches them twice, the trap snaps shut in less than a second. It then digests its prey for nutrients. In poor, swampy soil where others can't survive, this clever hunter thrives. The traps are 2-lobed leaves with hair-like extensions for sensing prey. They'll only close if 2 hairs are touched in succession, within seconds of each other. This way, the plants don't close for false alarms. It shows us that intelligence in nature doesn't always need a brain. 6. Dragon's blood tree, the tree that bleeds red. It is native to the Socotra archipelago, part of Yemen, located in the Arabian Sea. It is named after the blood-like color of the red sap that the trees produce. It is also the national tree of Yemen. Rising like a giant umbrella from the rocky desert, the dragon's blood tree looks like something from another planet. When cut, it oozes a thick red sap, known for centuries as dragon's blood, which was highly prized in the ancient world and is still used today as a stimulant and abortifacient. Its unique shape helps it capture moisture from the air, a natural water collector. This tree contains saponins, which can cause vomiting with blood, weakness, incoordination, and drooling in pets. The dragon tree is toxic to cats. Older, more mature specimens, which are rarer and take decades to develop their characteristic forms, are particularly valuable. It's a symbol of mystery, power, and adaptation in isolation. 7. Pitcher plant, the living trap. Pitcher plants are carnivorous plants known as pitfall traps, a prey trapping mechanism featuring a deep cavity filled with digestive liquid. The traps of pitcher plant are considered to be true pitcher plants and are formed by specialized leaves. These plants have deep cup-shaped leaves filled with sweet liquid. Insects, and sometimes even small frogs, slip inside and never escape. The pitcher plant digests them slowly, gaining nutrients from its prey. Each species has a unique shape and color, designed perfectly for its habitat. 8. Mimosa pudica, the shy plant, sensitive plant. This small green plant reacts to touch. Its leaves instantly fold up when disturbed. Scientists believe it's a defense against animals that might eat it. When the danger passes, the leaves slowly reopen. Children love to touch it and watch it move, almost like it's alive. The Mimosa pudica teaches us gentleness, that even the smallest beings can feel and respond. 9. Edelweiss, the star of the Alps. Found in rocky limestone areas of the European Alps, Pyrenees, and other mountain ranges, its dense, white hairs protect it from intense ultraviolet radiation, cold, and arid conditions. Growing in freezing, rocky peaks, the Edelweiss is a white star-shaped flower that stands for purity, courage, and love. It's so rare that in the past, men would climb dangerous cliffs just to bring one to the person they loved. Its soft, woolly petals protect it from cold and sunlight, nature's own armor. Historically, it was used in folk medicine for conditions like stomach aches and respiratory problems. Today, its extracts are valued in anti-aging cosmetics for their antioxidant properties. It has become a powerful symbol of courage, bravery, and rugged purity, especially in Switzerland, Austria, and Germany. It reminds us that beauty often grows in the hardest places. 10. Biden's Macroptera, Adia beba. It is a perennial flowering herb in the daisy family, Asteraceae, native and endemic to Ethiopia and Eritrea. Adia beba holds great cultural significance in Ethiopia, where it is a symbol of the new year, peace, and hope. As the rainy season ends, hills and villages across Ethiopia bloom with bright yellow Adia beba flowers. Known to science as Biden's Macroptera, it blossoms in Elul, the final month of the Ethiopian year. It marks the coming of Enkitatach, the Ethiopian New Year, a symbol of renewal, light, and peace. People give Adia beba to loved ones while singing joyful New Year songs. This flower carries a message: no matter the storm, a new beginning always blooms. From deserts to mountaintops, from icy peaks to tropical jungles, every plant tells a story of survival, creativity, and grace. These wonders remind us that life adapts in 1,000 unexpected ways. Which of these plants amazed you the most? Tell us in the comments. And remember, every plant has a story. Let's tell them together. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories from nature.